Show us your stuff. You girls in your pajamas?
We're gonna sleep over.
Do those crunches, Bella.
Yeah, nighttime exercises.
Hi, Dylan Reese. Who's over your house? That's right. It's Bella Rose. Oh. You think this is funny, huh? It's 9 o'clock. Why aren't you ladies in bed?
Yeah. Oh, that's
She'll grow hair soon. Yeah, don't touch my fro.
Oh, careful. Oh, okay.
This is awesome.
Oh. Hey, Rubber Dancer. Hey, Rubber Dancer. She's like, I'm gonna crawl on you and I'm gonna grab your face.
Oh. Where you going, Dylan? Yeah, butt shot. She's like, move your arm.
Yeah.
I got a close-up of her doing it. Dylan! Alright, I think we're done. I think we're done. Signing off, Dylan and Bella. Good night.